Selling my own product or selling someone else's product? Which one is better? Well, that's exactly what we're going to find out today in this video. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Kyle Heaney and I create videos about how you're going to grow your business or your online business. We do reviews, trainings, and testing of products, websites, everything that can grow your business. If you want to see more videos like this about how we're going to grow your business, make sure to subscribe below and I'll send you a notification every single time I create a new video about how we're going to help you. So let's get into today's training. Selling your own product or selling someone else's product? Which is better? This is a question a lot of people need to ask. The time, the money, how much is it going to cost? What's better for me? What's better for the company? Well, let's find out the differences. For this part of the training, I'm going to be off the camera, just so that you can see the slides that I've created better. So what we're going to start is with your own product. What are the disadvantages? You'll need to have a good idea developed into a product, which means not everybody's going to want to buy everything. You need to have a brilliant idea that people are going to want to buy, and this can be very difficult to come up with. Your product will need to stand out from your competition. There are thousands of different products being created every single day. Is your product going to stand out against products that are doing really well already? Is your idea good enough in order to actually start making sales? It takes time to develop a product. When you have an idea, you need to test it. You need to see how it's going to work. You need to understand advertising, how you're going to produce it, manufacturing. It takes a lot of time to develop this product. You will need to test the product, and this can be time consuming and expensive. You need to make sure your product works. You don't want people sending your product back because it's broken, or some part doesn't work, or this part of a software doesn't work, or it doesn't actually do what it says it's going to do. You will need to spend money on developing, prototyping, manufacturing, testing, distributing, and supporting the products. This means from your idea to develop the product into its final stages, you're going to have to spend money to do this, to create a prototype, to actually start manufacturing it. Where you're going to manufacture it? Do you need a warehouse? Do you need to employ people to manufacture it? Do you need another company to manufacture your product? You need to test your product, see if it's working. You're going to need to send it out to people for them to test for you, give you feedback on what they like, what they don't like, what you need to change. Distributing, how are you going to get your product out there? You need to have a drop shipping store, or you're going to send it to Amazon, or how you're going to deliver your product to stores or to the people who are buying it. And then supporting the product, to give advertising, to spend money on showing your product to people. And then the product may not appeal to the marketplace. Maybe to you, this could be the greatest product that you've ever seen, but you need to appeal to the audience who you're going to sell it to. You need to appeal to people who are going to buy it. But if people don't want to buy it, it's not going to work in the marketplace. Is your advertising good enough to show off your product? Because you can have the world's greatest product, but if you don't have good marketing, good advertising, you're never going to sell it. So now we're going to go into the advantages of having your own product. You get to keep all that revenue. Everything that's money that makes from that product goes into your pocket. You have complete control over the product, which means if you want to change something, if you want to add something, if you want to do anything to the product, you have complete control of it, as it is your product at the end of the day. You can let your customers know all about the product and its unique selling points as you created it. You know every step that went into creating this product because it's yours. You invented this. This is your idea. So you know every little piece that's gone into it. So you can use this as a selling point when trying to market your product. You have trust in your own product, making it easier to support. You trust everything. You made this product now. It's your baby. It's your product. It's what you really wanted to make. And you trust it in yourself, and you trust in your product and what it can do. So this makes it easier to support. When you are making advertising or videos, you fully stand behind your own product because you understand everything about it. Your product can get a brand and a reputation that may help in developing further products and in the future finding an audience. Think about all the big brands in the world: Nike, Adidas, Chanel, all these kind of big brands. They started off by making a brand for themselves. So people knew they were quality, they were last, they were the best that they could be. And a lot of these shoes and bags, Nikes that go for thousands of dollars, actually don't even cost that much to make, but they have a brand behind them, which means you can sell the product for a lot more. You will have exclusivity. You'll be the only person offering your product. You'll be the only person who offers it, so you don't have competition, which can be good and which can be bad. Okay, stick with me here. Now we're going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of selling someone else's product, which is personally my preference and what I like to do. So now we're going to look at the disadvantages of selling someone else's product. You get a commission and not the full revenue, but you don't have to spend the money for development, which can balance itself out. You don't have control over the product you're promoting, so you can't change the product. If you don't like something about the product or you don't like specific things that it does, you cannot change it because you don't have control over the product. It's not yours. There might be competition for a product you're offering, so getting traffic to your product might not be easy. But this is for both options, if you own a product or you don't own a product, because you're always going to have competition in the market, which can be good if you can use it as an advantage. See what's working for them, how you can add to your product, what you can offer inside of the product to make it more appealing than your competitors. So now we're going to speak about the advantages of selling someone else's product. You don't need to have a groundbreaking idea to develop into a product because the product's already done. All you need to do is find a product that is selling well and that you believe in. When it comes to competition in the market, you can select a product that is selling better than other products that are similar to your product. Do your research and find out why it sells better and use this to your advantage. So by this reasoning, the only time you need getting a product is your time researching the product and understanding what it's about. Because the product is already done, you don't need to spend money on development, prototypes, manufacturing, and everything else that comes from product creation. You don't have to worry about customer care because the company you're an affiliate of does it for you. You don't need to worry about returns. If someone doesn't like the product and they want to return it, you don't have to deal with it. The company does it. If there's questions about the product, you don't have to worry because they have a customer care team already there. So whatever phone calls they need to take, the company is going to take it. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to handle returns of the product. Like I said before, if someone doesn't like the product or something happens or it breaks or they need a refund, you don't deal with any of that because the company will do it for you. Commissions can become passive when people buy monthly recurring subscriptions. So a lot of products out there have a subscription, which is say 40, 50 or 60 pound a month. Some of them go as high as 250 pound a month. If you're making a 30% or 40% commission on that, you could be taking £100 a month passively for the rest of your life or until that person cancels the subscription. So not only do you make money when you sell the product, but if they go into subscription, you can actually get them that product every month and you can be making subscription payments every month. So these are the disadvantages and advantages of selling your own product or selling someone else's product. I know what I like to do. I like to sell other people's product. I make my commissions. I don't have to have the stress of inventory. I don't have to have the stress of returns, customer care, and all of that. If you would like to be the person who actually sells other people's product and want to learn how you can sell other people's product, there's a link down below. It's going to take you over to an educational course where they're going to teach you how to sell other people's products. And not just other people's products, other people's high ticket products with upsells. So what does that mean? It means that yes, there's some products that you can go out to on Amazon, you can go to Nike, you can go Under Armour. They all have affiliate programs where you're going to promote their product. But these are small commissions. You have a £40 Under Armour t-shirt, what you're going to make £2, £3, £4, or you can learn high ticket skills, which allow you to sell products that cost $2,000, $3,000, or $4,000, and you can be making a 40% commission from that. That sounds a lot better, no? And if you would like a step-by-step course on how you can actually do this yourself, click the link below in my bio. It's going to take you over to a video by me, and it's going to take you over to this program that taught me how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing. and all the steps I needed to create my high ticket affiliate marketing business and make a passive income for me so I can spend my time on beaches, on boats. No, I'm joking. I wish I could spend my time on beaches and boats. We're stuck in coronavirus now. But that would be my goal. These are my goals. I want to be able to take my family on holidays where we can go on beaches and boats and have champagne while the sun is setting. It would be nice. So this is what I'm working for. Wouldn't you like to as well? Or maybe you have a different goal to me. Maybe you want to just build a business for your family in the future. Or maybe you just want to lose your 9 to 5 and actually be your own boss and decide when you want to work. My goal is this over here. This boat, that sunset on the ocean. So that's what I'm building for. If you want the education to actually help you build towards your dream like I'm doing, make sure to click the link below. If you liked this video and found value in this video, make sure to leave a like below. As well, if you have any questions, make sure to comment on this video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on notifications every single time I create a new video like this where I do training or find new products for you guys. And like I always say, have a great day.